This video, I will show you how to download and install OpenToonz in Windows 11. If you want to download and install, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search OpenToonz. When you search this, you have to press enter. After pressing enter, here you will find about OpenToonz. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach opentoonz.github.io. Here you'll find download option. You have to click download option. When you click download option, here you'll find OpenToonz. Click this link. After clicking this link, OpenToonz. Here we have to wait for some time. Our page is loading. Here you can see OpenToonz term of use. When you scroll down, you will find two links. One for Windows and one for Linux. In macOS. Here you can see macOS and Windows. You have to click this link. If you want to download for Windows, download for Windows. Then click where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And here you can see our file is downloading. We have to wait for some time. When you press Ctrl plus J in your keyboard, you can see your file, which is downloading. We have downloaded OpenToonz. Here you can see OpenToonz setup.exe. Now it's time to install it. For installing, you have to go where file is present. Here I am going download folder where I can see my file OpenToonz. Right click on it for installing, then click open. You have to click yes. You have to choose language, then click OK. Then I accept the agreement. Then next. Then next. Then you have to click next. Then click next. Then click next. Then click install. And our OpenToonz is installing. We have to wait some time. Then we will use it. Here you can find OpenToonz logo. It means we have downloaded and installed successfully OpenToonz. When you click finish, it will be open. I hope this video help you. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.